1924 USA 1-cent coin. Good day, history buffs and treasure seekers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're stepping back nearly a century, to the Roaring Twenties, and looking at a coin that holds a fascinating secret, the 1924 Lincoln wheat cent. Most pennies from this era are valuable, but there is one specific variety, one incredible anomaly, that has the potential to make its owner an instant millionaire. The year is 1924. Coins were being struck at 3 different U.S. mints, Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Philadelphia over 75 million minted. Relatively common in circulated grades. San Francisco around 11.7 million minted. A semi-key date, and more desirable, Denver just over 2.5 million minted. This is the key date. The 1924 D has one of the lowest mintages in the entire wheat cent series. A high-grade, uncirculated 1924 D penny is a prize, with auction prices reaching close to $20,000 for the most pristine examples. But even $20,000 isn't close to the millions we promised, is it? That's because the true 7-figure value lies not in the perfect coins, but in the mistakes. Numismatic history is littered with ultra-rare, unique era coins that transcend their metal value. When we talk about millions for a penny, we are talking about coins that should not exist. For a 1924 Lincoln cent, the million-dollar question is, did a 1924 D or 1924 S penny accidentally get struck on the wrong planchet? The wrong metal planchet. In 1943, pennies were struck on steel due to a copper shortage. A few 1943 pennies were mistakenly struck on the old copper planchets, creating the famous 1943 copper cent. One of those sold for $1.7 million. Now, imagine a 1924 cent accidentally struck on a planchet intended for a different, unique composition or coin from that era. While no confirmed million-dollar 1924 wrong planchet error has emerged yet, an unprecedented, unique error of this magnitude from a key date year like 1924 D would immediately draw a 7-figure price tag. The mule error. A mule is a coin struck with 2 dies that were not intended to be paired. For example, a 1924 wheat cent reverse accidentally struck with the obverse die of a different denomination coin, discovering a never-before-seen mule error from a high-demand, low mintage year like 1924 D or 1924 S would instantly catapult the coin into the record books. The rarity is what drives the millions. But let's get back to the errors you can find, the ones that make the 1924 cent highly collectible. The 1924 D repunched mint mark. A repunched mint mark occurs when the punch used to place the D or S was struck multiple times, or moved slightly between strikes. You will see a faint, secondary image of the mint mark, often beneath or adjacent to the primary D. Collectors pay significant premiums for distinct and prominent RPMs on this key date. The 1924 double die errors check the motto, "In God We Trust," and the date, 1924. If you see clear doubling of the letters or numbers, you've found a double die obverse DDO error. While the 1924 double die isn't as famous as the 1955 version, significant examples can fetch hundreds to even a few $1,000s, especially if they are combined with the low mintage D or S mint marks. Die breaks and cuds. A cud is a dramatic die break that involves the rim of the coin. Look for a blob of raised metal attached to the rim. On a 1924 cent, especially in high grades, a large, dramatic cut error would be extremely valuable, easily reaching into the thousands. So, how do you know if you have a $1,000 coin, or potentially the next $1 million find? Step 1. Check the mint mark. Look beneath the date. 1924. Is it a blank spack, a tiny D, or an S? Step 2. Check the grade. Is your coin worn down, or does it have sharp details and original mint luster? The more detail and the better the color, the higher the value. A 1924 S cent in near-perfect MS65 red condition holds the public auction record at $66,000. Step 3. Hunt for the errors. Using a good 10x magnification, focus on these spots, asterisk the D or S mint mark. Look for that telltale sign of a secondary strike, the repunched mint mark. Asterisk the date and motto. Look for clear splitting or doubling in the letters and numbers. Asterisk the rim and field. Look for dramatic die breaks, off-center strikes, or any metal anomalies that suggest a wrong planchet or a foreign object strike. Let me be clear, finding an error coin worth millions is like winning the lottery. It's incredibly rare. But the only way those record-breaking errors get discovered is by people like you, searching diligently through old coin collections and rolls. If you believe you've found one of these extraordinary errors or a pristine, high-grade 1924D or 1924S, do not clean the coin. Cleaning will destroy its numismatic value. Protect it in a safe holder and seek the opinion of a professional coin grading service like PCGS or NGC. They are the ones who can authenticate its pedigree and officially grade its condition, which is the final step before it could reach those incredible auction prices. The 1924 Lincoln cent is a true piece of American history, and with the scarcity of the Denver issue, and the constant possibility of discovering a unique, multi-million-dollar error, it remains one of the most exciting pennies to hunt for. Have you found a rare wheat penny? Let me know your best find in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more treasure hunts, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy searching, and good luck!